Yo, I'm on 2 hours of sleep. Had fleet last night. My man Reyes want me to talk about how it is being an entrepreneur detailing. We figuring it out. Y'all stay tuned.
All right, well, for people that don't know, this isn't your first business.
Right.
You had a vending machine business. Is entrepreneurship what you expected before you jumped into it?
It definitely was not what I expected, but was what I expected at the same time.
Tell me what's something that caught you off guard or that you didn't realize you were gonna have to do?
The thing that I talk about all the time when you ask me that question about business, behind the scenes on how to operate a business, how to structure a business to duplicate. That is the hardest thing with business, because a lot of us believe that we could just start a business and just go. That is one of the #1 mistake that a business owner makes. They don't pre-plan before the plan. They just go, and then they worry about the problems as they go. That is the biggest mistake I say that a business owner could make. Me, I was the type of person that, hey, if I don't just get started, I won't start, right? I regret that. I wish I would have planned it, portfolio, finances in order, loans in order, all the stuff I needed, especially if you know and you have the vision that it's gonna work. Ain't nothing wrong with pre-planning if you got that vision. So I would double back, get some schooling, get schooled by some guys that's in the game longer, and just do all the behind the scenes stuff and learn it. Because if I would have learned that stuff, even though it seems like it was taking longer in the beginning, it actually would have catapulted me. Once I got to a certain point, I would have been able to get to that next point. So that's what I would say, big time.
Got you. Now, a lot of entrepreneurs have that mentality that they're gonna go 100 miles an hour,
right?
And they're gonna blow up and get a lot of customers. You have about 3 years in the game already. Is that possible? Going that fast?
I did blow up really, really fast. But go back to the past videos, you guys can see how fast I've grown. So yes, I was moving on that momentum, you guys. I seen all the work coming in, it's time for a van. I seen all the YouTube blowing up, it's time for a shop. I seen this, it's time for employees, receptionists, that. I based it off of how the money was coming in and how fast I was growing, but I was missing the behind the scenes part. Now I'm actually starting fresh all the way over for the 15th time. And each time I hit my head, bam, I go 10 steps back, 20 steps forward, ha. I'm moving forward more, even though it seems like I'm losing, but I'm actually winning because I don't think about losing. See, I just got that vision and I keep pressing. A man without a vision will perish. And I got the vision, I will not lose the vision because I have a family I gotta provide for and they're counting on me. And I am the protector, the provider, and the God within my home. Little G, hey, come on.
Now, just so people realize, yes, you did grow fast, but you were putting in work at the beginning. I remember I used to follow you from like super early in the morning,
right,
all the way till night.
Yes, sir.
You were detailing.
Oh, man.
And you actually had to take a step back from that.
Right.
Why?
You know what, Reyes? I actually didn't take a step back from it. I'm actually back to that, to be real. And that's only because I lost all my employees. Well, I fired all of them, to be real. Right before winter hit, things happen for a reason. I've been praying to God that he reveals people's hearts. He's been exposing hearts of people that are around me, and it's giving me the opportunity to go back to the drawing board, because every mistake or every thing that goes wrong is a lesson. Even though those people did things wrong, I was able to see my wrongs. And that's how you advance, is even though something went wrong and they did it, what could you have done better? How could you have spoken better? How could you have applied yourself better so that that didn't happen? Or, you know what I mean? I kind of shed the light on myself so that I can grow.
All right, Wayne, so you mentioned something about having to let some employees go.
Right.
Is that frustrating? You know, training people and then for whatever reason they do their own thing and you gotta go find somebody else?
I'm gonna be honest, I'm about 70% out of 100 used to it now, to where it's expected. I'm starting to realize it's a part of business. People come and go, and you just got to build your systems to rotate people in. So that just lets me know that it's a high turnover rate for mobile detailing. Either somebody wants to do it, either somebody's too lazy, variety of different reasons. You guys can name them. It's all day, just how people are with work. And I mean, when I was working, I worked over 30 to 40 different jobs. So me just being young and not knowing what I wanted to do. So you just get that system flowing, and me being big on YouTube and stuff, I have hundreds of people that want to work. Just rotating them. I need some main people that are leaders. It doesn't matter who comes in, they're gonna be able to instruct them on what to do. You vacuum, wipe down, and then they just go over them. Problem solved, right? Once I get my system down, then I'll start implementing that and keeping people rotating until we find those solid people. That's a wrap, y'all. I don't know where y'all gonna go, but y'all gotta get up out of here, man. Anyways, that's a wrap for this video. I'm trying to smile, I'm tired, half asleep. But we got some more work to do at the shop. Gotta get the van ready, gotta get prepared for tomorrow, do some behind the scenes work, fall asleep like a grandpa in front of the computer, you know, play with the kids. You know what I mean? We still got family duties when we get to the house. But nah, I'm thankful, I'm happy, all glory to God, man. This is a little bit of an insight on what it's like to run your own business and to figure it out. Ooh, that is beautiful. Yes, sir. Yeah, peep that, there it is. Oh, back over here, y'all. And we out.